Ever seen a tortoise get addicted to soda? Name's Tito, and I don't crawl for just anything. But Orange Crush? Phew, that stuff's my fuel. Forget water, give me that fizzy magic. One sip, and I'm moving like a cheetah. Okay, maybe like a fast snail. But still Crush is life. Today, we are going to discuss about something that is going to save your money in the content creation journey. Let's dive in today's topic. Today I'm going to show you step by step on how to create full HD images for your projects for free and unlimited. Let's open Chrome and get started. First, we need prompts to generate images for our project. You can write on your own, but this tutorial we are going to use ChatGPT. Write a prompt of what you want to achieve. Mine are as follows. Generate a detailed prompt of a couple in the desert holding each other's hand. Light and should be in the sunset time. I am a new creator. If you find this video helpful, please consider, subscribe, like, comment, and share the video. It helps me to create more videos packed with value like this. Check the previous video. The link is in the description about how to create a professional music video. Okay, once done writing the prompt, hit enter and wait for the magic to happen. ChatGPT is a powerful tool in terms of generating prompts, and it's free and user-friendly. Once your prompt is ready, go and open a new tab and search for Image FX. Click that one appears on the first. Consider sign in with your Google account, and boom, you are ready to go. This is a powerful tool provided by Google, and it's free and good in creating consistent characters across multiple generations. Lock the seed if you want to maintain consistent images, and it supports 16:9 aspect ratio to 9:16. You choose according to your choice. Let's copy and paste our prompt and hit enter, then wait for the magic to happen. It will take a little time to generate images and gives you 3 to 4 images and choose the one you like. Boom! Your images are ready. Look how good the images looks. You can download these images free of charge without spending any money. Type what you think about this tool. Watch this video to the end. I have a bonus tip, and showing you another free tool in this video. I am the lifesaver, right? If yes, comment yes in the comment section. Under this Image FX, look at the top, written in yellow. Whiskey. Another powerful Google tool that create images for free. Browse some of the pre-made templates and use them if you like. This tool is powerful and free. You can use it to animate your images into a video. Sounds good, right? But on video generation, it gives you 10 generation per month. But if you need more generations, you can use multiple emails. Here, there are 2 ways to use. One, image generations. You can use prompt, or you can use another image as reference. And boom, look how good is this. Are you ready to level up your content creation? Type, yes, I am ready. Let's try to bring these images to life with this tool. Click on Animate. Type a prompt of what you want to achieve in the video. For example, I type hugging and kissing each other and hit enter. Then wait for the magic. With this tool, you can level up your storytelling using this method. The video you watch at the beginning of this video, I created it using this tool. And look how good is it. Boom. Well, let's play it and see how good is it. This is nice. For love, storytelling is the way to go. Look how smooth is this looking. How they are kissing. Ooh, amazing. It's amazing. Thank you for watching. Please, if you find this video helpful, consider smash that subscribe button and like Smart Nation AI. See you in the next video.